This is a preamplifier. This was entirely homemade, also the circuitry. It's using these old integrated circuits here and here. And well, this used to be I'm sorry for these stupid helicopters. Anyway, this used to be, well, in a working condition, but I took that original preamplifier, I took apart again, and now these circuits are sitting in here, and well, they are waiting for being finished. And well, you can see I have a power switch right here, 2 output meters, then inputs. These are, you can mix these inputs to the normal sound output, so this is also a sound mixer, left and right, volume control, tone control, and the input selector, and mono stereo switch and stuff. This is all not hooked up, as you can see, just all inside of there. And this is the power supply. It is not even mounted in its place. Using a little voltage regulator for 10 volts. And well, as you can see, this is waiting for being finished. This is a power amplifier, also entirely homemade. So you can see this is a printed circuit board, because this is all a you know, a kit that you buy all the parts and then you can build it together by yourself. And well, this is still waiting for getting a housing. And well, I have a transformer right here, then the power supply, and then the amplifier itself. It gives you 40 watts per channel. Again, stupid helicopter. We have an airport of the German Air Force nearby, so that's why we have all these helicopters flying around. Anyway, also this appeared in the audio equipment slideshow. This was made also in 2008. I have input. It's this wire here. It's mounted all directly to the chassis, which I don't like. I'm planning to put 2 RCA jacks in there, as well as I plan to hook up, or actually to build in another power supply, a battery power supply, which is also stabilized. This is not stabilized, so you have a little hum. And this is, well, the mains input, power cord, and the speaker outputs. And this is another preamplifier. It does not work because I took out the power switch. And we have 4 inputs, including a phono input with a built-in phono preamplifier. 4 inputs, bass, treble, balance, and volume. And on the back side we have a phono ground, then the normal phono input, tape, tuner, aux inputs right here. And right here we have a record output and a preamplifier output, you know, where it goes to the main amplifier. And this, actually, I planned to also build in a power amplifier, and that's why we have right here this hole, because there used to be the speaker outputs used to be in there. But let's take a look inside. We have a transformer right here, then 2 power supplies. One is also stabilized, goes to the preamplifier, and the other one is not stabilized, and it goes to the input selector, which, as you can see, is working with relays. Yes, it works with relays, but it causes a lot of trouble because, well, the power supply for the relays is not stabilized, and so the solenoids of the relays are putting a whole lot of hum into the audio. So this preamplifier, it works, but it doesn't sound that good because it always really annoying. As you can see, the preamplifier I used is a circuit that came out of an old compact stereo system, and this contains also a phono preamplifier, and that is why this preamplifier also offers a phono input. And then, of course, I still have these homemade speakers that you've seen in some of my videos, my previous videos. They're really nice speakers. They're using a very small speaker, but they're having a special housing, and so there is a big sound coming out of these small speakers. And then, of course, I still got these two speakers, homemade speakers. You've seen a video where I was improving these speakers by putting in new woofers.